Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your email address in GetStencils. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to getstencils.com. Now, log in to your account. After that, click on My Account drop down here on the top right corner of your screen and click on Settings option. From here, select the Profile tab and click on Update Name Zip Profile. From here, you can find Primary Email option. Click on Edit button. Now type in your new email address on this field. Now type your name, zip, password. After that, click on Change Email button. You will find account verification requirement in your email. Click on Confirm your email button and your email address will be changed. You will find the activation link on your new email address. Click on the activation link. You will see a page like this. Here you can see that your email has been changed and you will also get a prompt saying your primary email address has been updated. So that is how you can change your email address in GetStencils. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.